Drat. Decoded. Understanding this quirky English expression. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting and quirky expression in the English language. Drat. Have you ever come across it? Wondered about its origins or how to use it? By the end of this video, you'll be a Drat expert. Drat is an exclamation that people use to express disappointment, frustration, or annoyance. It's a mild way of showing that something didn't go as planned. For instance, if you were trying to thread a needle and the thread kept missing the hole, you might exclaim, "Drat." The origins of words and expressions can be fascinating, and drat is no exception. It's believed to have been derived from the expression, "Od rat," in the 1700s, which was a mild oath. Over time, the expression morphed into the single word, drat, we use today. It's a great example of how languages evolve and adapt over time. To truly understand and incorporate drat into your vocabulary, it's essential to see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. Drat. I forgot my umbrella at home and now it's raining. 2. She opened the cookie jar and said, "Drat. Someone ate all the cookies." 3. I was so close to winning the game. Drat. Remember, it's a mild expression, so it's safe to use in most informal settings without offending anyone. And there you have it. Now you're familiar with the quirky English expression, drat, and how to use it. Language is an ever-evolving tapestry of history, culture, and human experience. Expressions like drat make it colorful and rich. We hope you found this explainer useful, and until next time, keep exploring and expanding your linguistic horizons.